Be strong.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Matt with parmeTECH, here to spend just a minute to tell you about the newly released ViewSonic IFP41 Series interactive display. With a lot of the changes in the technology world and prices going up, ViewSonic has been committed to delivering the display that you expect at the price point that you've become accustomed to. So I wanted to go over some of the features that ViewSonic has in the 41 Series display that you can expect. It comes in the 5 sizes that you've come to expect: 55, 65, 75, 86, and 98 inches. You have a 55 watt front-facing speaker, 64 points of touch, which is the most we've seen on an interactive display, and it also adds palm rejection to make that really smooth and precise handwriting experience. These displays have 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of solid-state storage, so there's no shortage of space to store and run everything that you need to. You have a USB-C port with 100 watts of power delivery, so you're going to get really fast device charging while you're also connected to the display. And lastly, this is compatible with all the same accessories for all the other view boards, whether that be mobile carts, slot-in PCs, cameras, or anything you may need to enhance your view board experience. You'll notice that we have the same software experience behind me that you're accustomed to. This is a Google-certified EDLA display. You have the option for the Google Play Store to be enabled, or if you prefer just to do the ViewBoard launcher, you can do that as well. Out of the box, this comes with Android version 16 and will be upgradable in the future. For more details on this product, you can check out our blog, which is linked below, which goes into depth about all the features and functionality of the 41 Series displays. If you'd like to see a demo or get pricing, please reach out to us at parmeTECH.com. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest from ViewSonic and parmeTECH. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.